So here we are, beautiful Saturday morning. Maggie and I are hiking the Mono Cliffs. Say hi, babe.
Hey.
Looks like it's a beautiful day. Here's a quick view of everything that's going on. Nice area. And we'll get some good footage, hopefully, some pictures, and just enjoy the scenery. Have a good one. Okay, so we're a little bit into the trail, enjoying some of the nice single track stuff, and now we're going into the challenging part. Up there, and we're going to go to the top of the lookout. It's going to be awesome.
Cool. Let me think about it.
So, even out in the gorgeous wilderness,
Are they? Okay, well then I'll have to say no because I'm not 100%
she still
sure
takes a
what's going
phone
on.
call. Single track trail, climbing the cliffs.
You shot down.
Not a bad climb. It's challenging. We still got more to go. It's kind of icy, but it's making for an awesome workout. So come on, let's finish the hill. Oh. Reaching the top of Mono Cliffs.
Little Easter eggs on the tree.
Apparently, somebody celebrated Easter up here.
Down there.
Maybe. Looks like somebody celebrated up here. They decorated the tree. It's kind of neat to see that we're at the same level as, see the hawk? Soaring around hunting.
I want to go look.
Hey?
I want to go down and look.
Well, the trail goes that way. It goes all the way around.
I know, but I want to go to the edge. I like going to the edge.
You want to go to the edge? Go to the edge. She lives dangerously.
Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh.
Okay, so that was the lookout trail, which was really kind of cool. Here's a map. We started up here, hiked all along here, came up to the lookout, which is up here, and we're right here down by McCarson's Lake. So we're going to probably maybe head down this way, come back, and then make our way back, because it's that hill there. The green. Take some footage of the trail that we're following. Do you want to lead?
Sure.
All right, Maggie's going to lead.
Which way?
It's a little mucky. What's that?
I landed on the rock.
And as the old saying goes, what comes down has now got to go up. Good times. Yeah. There's a river that runs through here. Just on the other side of those trees over there. That's where McCarson's Lake is. Beautiful lake area. Anybody gets the opportunity to come hike in Mono Cliffs, I recommend it. And as you can see, what we're actually on is part of the Bruce Trail. Nice area, if anybody knows the Bruce Trail. Love you.
Sunrise, sunrise, couldn't tempt us if it tried, 'cause the afternoon's already come and gone. And I said, ooh, do you? Surprise, surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes, but I'm sure it's written all over my face.
So here we are.
So from where we started?
Yeah,
It was
from where-
3.5K?
Yeah, from where we started. So we just finished McCarson's Lake Trail, part of Mono Cliffs Provincial Park. Nice run. It's just a 3.5K loop, 3.6K, but the hills and the snow and everything makes it a phenomenal workout. It's awesome.
sure.
We're going to carry on. The good thing about Mono Cliffs too, it's got these lovely maps. So this was the trail that we did. Last one was right around here. We just followed it all the way around, and now we're here, which is
Cliff top side.
the cliff top, but it's also part of the Bruce Trail. Okay, so we're going to head back up this way, and it'll take us to where we started. I will tell you though, this, or is it the blue? No, the blue one here. That's a lot of fun.
Wee bit of a hill, honey?
Eh?
A wee bit of a hill?
Yeah, it's about a kilometer and a half, maybe about a 30-degree incline up.
Thanks, honey.
No problem. Awesome day. So, I don't think you've ever been here before, have you?
No.
No. Maggie's first time here, and I'm just about to take her to one of the best places to check things out. I don't know if she's even seen it
Yeah,
yet.
so the bridge there.
Okay, so let's go check this out. Coming to the lookout. Another lookout here. Funny thing is, when I came with Casey, she never liked coming up onto here because of the grate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
This is awesome. Check it out down there. Family of geese on the lake.
Yeah.
And you can see that trail that goes all along. That's the spillway trail. So when I was saying that you turn left instead of the right, there we go. Anyway, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Now we come to the part of the hike where
Bruce is really nervous. Told him I'd catch him if he fell.
yeah, no, that's
No, you can't edit that out of the video.
So, that being said, Maggie's going to lead the way up what I like to call Heartbreak Hill.
Okay.
Because Maggie is a wise ass.
Sunrise, sunrise, looks like morning in your eyes, but the clock's held 9:15 full hours. Sunrise, sunrise,
Going up the
couldn't
hill,
tempt us if it
Heartbreak
tried,
Hill.
'cause the afternoon
coming to the halfway point. Feels like 800 miles. How you doing, babe? Doesn't look like much from here. As you go down, it's a long way. And it's about a 30-degree angle. Let's keep going.
Surprise, couldn't find it in your eyes.
So, coming to the last bit of our hike. The trailhead is just up ahead. It's a beautiful day. How you doing, babe?
Awesome. Totally awesome.
And here's the trailhead. Back where we started. About 7.5 kilometers. Hey, didn't you see the stop sign? Love her.
Like the pine trees lining the winding road, I've got a name, I've got a name. Like the singing bird and the croaking toad, I've got a name, I've got a name. And I carry it with me like my daddy did, but I'm living the dream that he kept here. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by. Like a north wind whistling down the sky, I've got a song, I've got a song. Like the whippoorwill and the babies cry, I've got a song, I've got a song. And I carry it with me and I sing it loud. If it gets me nowhere,